Deixa eu bater. Hã? Bota tua mão na frente.
Tá.
Oh, that was fast.
We had piranha here, my friend.
That was record. I didn't have time to get the camera going.
Yeah.
Essa é piranha branca.
It's the white piranha.
Wow. Very
Big
nice.
guy, you grab the piranha now and
Here you go, let me
hook
grab it. Yep. Sorry. Big guy.
off. Big guy.
Let me grab it. No, I'm kidding. I don't want to grab it.
That's right.
So what?
Hold it. Hold.
Oh.
Hold tight. Back. And the fish back.
Yes.
Can you pass to him? To Laércio? To Laércio? Yeah, they can all of us.
Okay.
Oh, you can, yeah, sorry, you can have it.
Okay, I'll start.
Yeah, okay.
Whatever.
Vai.
We were fishing. We were fishing.
Yeah, we do. Okay.
Well,
I felt some nibble the first couple times, you know, it's nothing.
Wait, we caught one? Da piranha cachorro que chama, é?
É, a caju é mais piranha. Não, essa daí é piranha e cachorro, dog.
É dog piranha.
Sim. Dog piranha.
Tu vai pro bota.
Não, pô, vou ali botar no papai.
Quando a gente foi lá naquele dia, tu já tinha piranha, né?
Já?
Já?
Mas
Ah, bem novinha, né?
Tá. 15 dias.
15 dias. Da piranha. Get more.
Got a piranha here. Yeah.
No problem.
No problem?
No.
Okay. Okay, hang on. Oh yeah, using chicken as bait. There you go, can you help? Oh.
Almost. Half piranha.
Snuck it out of there that time. Oh my goodness! Oh no! It's fate.
I was holding Todd's pole.
I think it's my hook. I'm not even lying. Where's the hook going to be? Well, that was pretty good. About 15 minutes ago, I was expecting that excuse to come out pretty soon.
Well, I mean, that I wasn't going to use it until that right there just happened. It's the furthest I've gotten one, and I had it one-handed for 5 seconds.
I mean, the sad part is that if I were holding the pole, that fish would be in the boat right now.
If I were holding the pole with 2 hands, it would be in the boat.
Oh.
Nice, thanks.
Stuck it again?
Yeah.
You definitely caught them.
Yeah, good. So you want the hot bait? You want the hot bait, Trey? He'll try anything now.
It's the pole.
It's the pole.
It's the pole. Watch this.
Thank you.